You quit your 9-to-5 and made $10,000 profit. Do not waste it. Smart ways to reward yourself and grow. You finally made your first big profit as a business owner. Now what? Here is how to reward yourself without wrecking your success. You did it. You quit your 9-to-5, started your business, and now you have got $10,000 in profit sitting in your account. But before you blow it all on a shopping spree or a luxury trip you cannot afford, let's talk smart ways to reward yourself without sabotaging your future success. In this video, I will break down the best ways to use your first $10,000 in profits, the challenges you will face because, trust me, there are traps ahead, real solutions to make your money work for you, how to grow your business even faster while still treating yourself. Plus, I will share real-life examples, funny stories, and actionable tips that will keep you entertained and ready to take action. If you are serious about turning this first win into long-term financial freedom, this video is for you. Want to take your business to the next level? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, one-on-one coaching, and online community today. The difference between struggling entrepreneurs and successful ones, taking action. Click the link in the description below now and start building the life you have always wanted. Join the conversation. What is the first thing you would do with your first $10,000 profit? Drop it in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video that helps you grow your business faster. Title: You quit your 9-to-5 and made $10,000 profit. Here is how to reward yourself the smart way. You did it. You finally quit your 9-to-5, started your own business, and after reinvesting and covering expenses, you have got $10,000 in profit sitting in your account. Now, the question is, how do you reward yourself without sabotaging your future success? Stick around, because in this video, we are diving deep into the best ways to use that money wisely, the challenges you will face, and solutions that actually work. Plus, I will show you how my services help you build the business and lifestyle you have dreamed of. Starting now. Section 1. Travel, because you deserve a break. For personal stories to inspire action, each of these stories is exciting, unique, uplifting, and shows how my services will help you achieve your dreams faster and smarter. Story number 1. The I Deserve This Travel Trap. One of my clients, Rachel, was so excited after making her first $10,000 profit that she immediately booked a luxury trip to the Maldives. I mean, who would not, right? Crystal blue waters, overwater bungalows, fancy spa treatments, it sounded like a dream. Until she came back home and realized she had spent $15,000 instead of $10,000. Her business cash flow took a hit, and instead of feeling refreshed, she felt stressed. The problem? Flights, hotels, and excursions add up fast. Spending beyond the budget can put business growth at risk. Vacations do not generate income unless planned wisely. How we fixed it? Travel smart. I showed Rachel how to use travel reward points, cutting her next trip's cost in half. Make it a workcation. She planned her next getaway around business networking events. Hello? Tax deductions. Passive income strategy. She took my masterclass on automating revenue, so she made money while sipping coconut water on the beach. Now, Rachel still takes vacations, but she does it the smart way. Want to do the same? Join my coaching program, and I will show you how to enjoy life while keeping your business thriving. Example 1. A luxury weekend trip to the Bahamas. Problem flights, hotels, and excursions add up fast. Before you know it, that $10,000 could turn into $15,000 on your credit card. Solutions: use travel rewards cards. If your business expenses go on a rewards credit card, you could cover flights or hotels for free. Book off-peak travel. Flying Tuesday, Thursday, and avoiding holidays saves you thousands. Set a travel budget and stick to it. Decide upfront how much you will spend so you do not wake up broke in paradise. Example 2. A solo mountain retreat to reset problem. Running a business is exhausting. What if you burn out? Solutions: take a work-optional retreat. Use your trip to reflect, journal, and recharge while still keeping your business running. Hire a virtual assistant. Get small tasks off your plate so you do not return overwhelmed. Automate revenue streams. Passive income equals freedom. That is what I teach in my programs. Section 2. Upgrading your lifestyle. Story number 2. The dream car that almost became a nightmare. Let me tell you about Jason. He had been driving an old Honda Civic since college, and when he made his first $10,000 in profit, he thought, finally, I deserve a luxury car. So he went straight to the dealership and bought a brand new BMW with a $900 a month car payment. 2 months later, business slowed down. That car payment? Still there. The insurance? More than his rent. Jason had trapped himself into a financial headache. The problem? A fancy car does not mean financial stability. High monthly payments eat into business growth funds. Depreciation means the car loses value fast. The smart fix? Leasing instead of buying. I helped Jason explore business lease options, which saved him thousands. Business tax write-off. He learned how to write off his vehicle as a business expense, legally. Investing in income-boosting assets first. Instead of spending $900 a month on a car, he reinvested in coaching, which helped him scale to $20,000 months. Jason still got his dream car, but only after his business was consistently making $30,000 a month. Smart moves equals long-term freedom. Want help making smart money decisions? Join my masterclass today. Example 1. Buying that dream car, or maybe leasing it. Problem. That luxury car might impress people, but is it a wise investment? Solutions. Consider a lease instead of buying. Avoid losing thousands in depreciation. Buy a car through your business tax write-offs? Anyone. Check with your CPA. 08. That is me. Invest in experiences over status symbols. A Tesla is cool, but financial freedom is cooler. Example 2. The ultimate home office setup. Problem. You work from home now. Is that couch cutting it? Solutions. Invest in an ergonomic chair and desk. Your back will thank you. Upgrade to a high-speed laptop, and mic video calls should not sound like a 2002 flip phone. Create a productive space. My time management masterclass shows you how to maximize output in minimal time. Section 3. Investing back into yourself, the ultimate power move. Story number 3. The I will figure it out myself trap. Emily was a go-getter. She had built her business to $10,000 in profit, and instead of reinvesting in coaching or a course, she said, I will figure it out on my own. Fast forward 6 months, she was still stuck at the same income level. She was working harder but not earning more because she did not know the strategies to scale. The problem? Trying to do everything alone slows down progress. Free content is great, but it does not give personalized strategies. Without the right systems, scaling a business is like running on a hamster wheel. How we turned it around? Investing in the right course. Emily enrolled in my Create Your Breakthrough Year masterclass and learned step-by-step strategies for growth, getting coaching support. With one-on-one guidance, we identified her weak spots and fixed them fast. Building systems for passive income, she automated her business and went from $10,000 to $35,000 months in less than a year. Now, Emily has the time and financial freedom she always wanted. If you are serious about growth, stop wasting time figuring it out alone. Click the link in the description below and join my program today. Example 1. High-ticket courses and coaching. Problem. How do you know which ones are worth it? Solutions. Check for real testimonials. No fake Lamborghini renting gurus allowed. Make sure it aligns with your business goals. Do not buy a knitting course if you run a marketing agency. Invest in courses that teach you to scale. That is exactly what I do in my Create Your Breakthrough Year. Example 2. Attending a business conference. Problem. It is expensive. How do you make sure it is worth it? Solutions. Network with a purpose. Don't just collect business cards, build relationships. Apply what you learn immediately. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. Use it as a content opportunity. Take pics, share insights, and build authority in your niche. Section 4. Giving back, the secret to true fulfillment. Story number 4. Giving back, but with a purpose. Michael had a huge heart. After hitting his first $10,000 in profit, he wanted to give back. He donated $5,000 to charity, which was amazing. But here is the catch. His business was not stable yet. The next month, cash flows slowed down, and he regretted not planning his donation strategically. The problem. Giving is great, but not if it puts your business at risk. Many donations get lost in admin fees instead of directly helping people. Business owners need to balance giving with sustainability. How we made it work? Donating smartly. Instead of a lump sum, Michael set up a percentage of profits to go to charity so he could give consistently, creating a business model that gives back. We built a charitable aspect into his business, so customers knew every purchase supported a cause, donating time and expertise instead of just money. He started mentoring young entrepreneurs, which built goodwill and brand loyalty. Now Michael gives more than ever, and his business keeps growing. Want to build a business that changes lives? Join my coaching program, and let's make it happen. Example 1. Supporting a charity or cause you love. Problem? How do you make sure your donation actually helps? Solutions. Research where the money goes. Transparency matters. Donate your expertise instead. Time and skills can be more valuable than cash. Make it part of your business model. Giving back attracts like-minded clients. How you can do this too. Want to be the next success story? Here is how to start. Step 1. Join my masterclass. Learn exactly how to grow your business and use your money wisely. Step 2. Get coaching support. Stop guessing and start getting results fast. Step 3. Join my community. Surround yourself with like-minded entrepreneurs and keep growing.